Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add your resume to your LinkedIn profile. Adding a resume to your profile is easy and makes your profile stand out. So let's get started. Firstly, open the LinkedIn on your mobile device. Once you're signed in, go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen. This will open your profile page. Now click on the option saying Add Section. After that, click on Recommended and click on Add Featured. To add your resume, click on the Add button in the Featured section and select Media from the options. This allows you to upload a file directly from your mobile device. Now for adding a resume, click on Upload from Photos. Choose the file which you want to upload as your resume. Moreover, you can add the description, but it is optional. Now click on the Save option at the top right corner of the screen. Now, when you open your profile, scroll down and you can see your resume on the featured section. And that's it. You now know how to add your resume to your LinkedIn profile to showcase your experiences and skills. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching and good luck with your job search.